In this How to Get Started with Affiliate Marketing 2023 guide, you will learn what affiliate marketing will mean in 2023, what to do before choosing your niche, the best affiliate marketing strategy. Should I start an affiliate blog? How do I monetize my affiliate website? What audience building methods work? Affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid. How to use social media to get more traffic to my site and build my audience. How do I create content that ranks? Finding the right affiliate. So how do I find and work with affiliate marketing program? Why do businesses or products need affiliates? In addition to this, we'll also tell you how you can become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing can be an effective marketing strategy for both businesses and affiliates. Link in the description.